So when we say the word Jayco, what comes to mind? Probably a towable, right? Today, we tour a Jayco Swift Class B van. You ready? Let's roll. Yes, Jayco makes the Swift, and you'll never guess what floor plan it looks like. Anybody familiar with this floor plan? Yes, some exciting innovation from Jayco. It's called Copy the Travato 59K to a T. Pull out, cabinet, sink, faucet. I would say the beds here are way less comfy. That looks like some seriously cheap foam. The good news is I can sit and my feet touch the floor. So thank you, Jayco, for that innovation. TV, side-by-side windows. Controls are weirdly here and there for your Truma. Where's the other controls? Multiplex wiring, so there is some innovation. Good job. Look at these cabinets. This is kind of cool. They have a latching thing here, right? You see that? So 1, 2, 3, all open. That's really nice. Carpeted top and bottom. More innovation. Thank you, Jayco, for that. Pop-up thing, cool. On around ProMaster chassis, obviously. We got the gratuitous airplane table. Everybody's pretty familiar with those, right? It's okay. It's okay. Outlet, cool. If we look in the bathroom back here, let's see if it's up here. Some of the electronics, right? If we look at the bathroom back here, here's their securing mechanism for the door. Not super awesome. And it's one of these deals. Okay. Toilet. The fill and tip sink. Not a giant fan of that. Shower. Hello, everybody. The shower cabinet opens like that. Needs something to keep things from falling out. I don't know why they can't figure that out. Okay, medicine chest, cool. They do have a track on the screen here, so that's pretty neat. This feels really tight. Cabinetry here, again, there is not a lot of innovation going on here. It's a K copycat, I would say. We'll step out. Whoa. Wow. And shower for your thing, or connection. Put your hoses in there, single shower pan. They weirdly have this screwed to the wall here, so you can't remove it. But what I'm just smitten with the Coachman is they put a wall here, so you're not looking at your toilet with your back doors open. The wall went right here. And because the Coachman was on the Transit, it's a little longer by a foot or two, I think, which made this space much more usable. Look on the outside. So power, solar, water in. Flush tank, all right, good. 30 amps, cable, Truma, great. City water connection, great. There's probably a lever then to fill the tank. And then your propane. And there's your sewer hose. Pretty much the same though, right? So no lithium option on this particular model. 90 grand, artificial pricing. Hey guys. Thank you. And so what's the price point on this, probably? What do you think? Knockoff? Knockoff.